Welcome to the Jahia Digital Experience Manager, otherwise known as DX. In this tutorial, you'll learn the basics of how to get around the DX edit mode and understand the major elements so you can find what you're looking for. Start DX and log in. The first time you use DX, the user dashboard displays. This is where you can set up your profile view, your pages, your web projects, and any tasks that are assigned to you. Please see the DX Publishing video for more information about the dashboard. Click DX logo in the upper left corner to access the DX menu and then click Edit Mode. If you don't see the home page of the digital site, navigate to it by selecting Digital from the site selector. Digital is a demonstration website that's provided for you to learn how to use DX so you can manage your own web content. The first terms you need to know are the different parts of the interface. At the top, you will find the Application Toolbar and the Page Selection Toolbar. The Page Selection Toolbar displays on the left the DX menu button, the current page or selected item, the language, and Site Selector. The Site Selector displays all the web projects available to you. On the right side of the toolbar, you will find the Preview, Publishing, Status, and other related options. The rest of the toolbar elements are discussed in other DX tutorial and documentation. For now, we will just focus on Edit mode. You use the left toolbar to display the pages of your project and find components and content to add to it. Pages show you a site tree of all the pages. Create Content displays a list of available content components. Content displays the reusable content of the site. Files and Images shows all the digital assets that are available. Search helps you find a page or component. Categories lets you view and manage how content is tagged for queries. Mobile gives you a preview of your site on mobile devices. And Site Settings allows administrators to configure site features. The edit frame in the center is where you manage your web project content. Using the Pages tab, select the home page. In the edit frame, you can scroll through the home page to see the different components that are used. Pages can contain just one component or several different components. For example, the home page layout uses sliders, rich text, images, highlights, events, and press releases. To see a simple layout, navigate to the Leadership page. You can see that it uses the same kind of component throughout the page. Congratulations! Now that you know the DX basics, you're on your way to learning how to manage web projects and DX. Please see our other tutorials and documentation for information on specific topics you're interested in.